Hey, what's up guys, David here from Ignited. Today I want to show you how to play Roku's built-in games. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, now gaming on Roku TV is fun, although it's limited and the experience is tailored more towards casual gamers. Now, while it doesn't offer the same capabilities as dedicated gaming consoles, Roku TV provides access to a variety of simple built-in games that can be enjoyed directly on your Roku TV. Now, Roku's built-in games are accessible through the Roku channel store or the Roku streaming store, where you can find a selection of casual games like puzzles, card games, and arcade-style adventures. Now, these games are designed to be easy to pick and play, making them perfect for quick entertainment sessions. Now, once you've selected and installed a game from the store, it will appear on your TV's home screen, and it's ready to launch and play at any time. Alright, now playing these games is really straightforward, with most being controlled using your Roku remote. You don't need a console, you don't need a joystick or any of that stuff. Now, this simplicity makes them accessible to all users, whether you're a seasoned gamer or you're just looking for something light to pass the time. Alright, let's get into it. Let's download some games and I show you how to play using your remote. Alright, so from your Roku home screen, simply come to streaming store here, okay, and let's scroll down to apps right here. All right, so I'm going to tap on apps, and then you're going to have to browse through the various sections, movies and TVs and food and so forth. So just come to games down right here, okay. Yes, and you can see we have all the games here, right? Okay, so I'm just going to tap to see all, so we can see all the games that are available on the channel store. Okay, and you can see we have Road Cross here. This is a very popular game. We have some racing games here. Okay, yes, we have some puzzles, we have some card games. You have a variety of games, and of course you have the popular snake game right here. So once you choose the game that you want, select it, right? Okay, channel added, Snakes Free has been added to the end of home. Okay, so I'm now going to go back to the home screen, tap on home here. So Snakes Free is here, so just tap on OK to launch the game. Okay, so remember, built-in games on Roku are played using a remote, and this is exactly what I'm using to play the game. It's this Roku Voice Remote Pro, and it's what I'm going to be using actually to play the game. So you use the directional keys here, the up, right, down, left button, and then the OK button. This is what you're going to use to play the game. Okay. Okay, probably we can try another game. Okay, let's try Road Cross. Okay, let's say add up. Okay. Okay, you want to exit the game? I was going to say exit. Alright guys, I'm not really an avid gamer, but I've just showed you how you can actually play games on Roku. That is the built-in games, okay? So if you want to play like really high-level games, then you can just connect your console, whether that's a Playbox or a PlayStation, directly to one of the HDMI inputs of your Roku TV, and then you're able to just play normal games using your console, right? And then you can also screencast from your phone or your computer to your Roku TV if you want to play mobile games or PC games. That's also an alternative. Right, otherwise this sums it up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, like and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon to be notified of future videos. See you in the next one.